guys, Jacob here from The Shed Productions. We're going to be taking a look at this really cool Craftsman garage door opener. And, this is at my friend's house. It is a 16 by 10 Wayne Dalton door. And I am not entirely sure of the model number of the Craftsman. But it's a 3/4 horsepower one, probably made in early 2000s. And it has the, motion lit wall button with the light, lock, and main, and along with this. So, without further ado, let's give it a run. The safety sensors do work. We can give that a test. So let's run it down. Shot of it opening. So as you can see, it's a very cool garage door opener, and it has a huge spring shaft with what looks to be 10 1/4 turns on each spring, which means this is probably a very heavy door. I'm not sure if this is balanced or not, but I guess we'll just have to find out later. Alright, now we are back here, and we're going to test to see just how heavy this garage door is. So, let's pull the red cord, which is at least 6 feet long. It's very crazy. And the jump back from this, the amount of tension on it is also very crazy. So, you can just lift it, and it's very heavy. This is not balanced whatsoever. Oh, I don't even know how that thing lifts itself. So, let's reconnect it and let's come over here and watch how much this thing jumps. Watch what happens if we just raise it just a little bit, though. Come and watch this. Come and watch this. This is really interesting. It kind of slams shut, you know? And, well, I'm very happy it works. I'd be more than happy to fix it if it ever goes broken, but overall, this is a really cool Craftsman and Wayne Dalton combo garage door in a 610. What a heavy. And look how heavy duty those second tracks are. My God, those are strong. They'll almost never come out. Outside view. Actually opens really fast.
How heavy did the garage door is open? Yeah, which is pretty fast. And down we go.
Yep. Okay. Alright, let's just get that nice and done. All right, let's get it. Anyways, that's gonna do it for today's video, guys. Goodbye.